Okay, so this is for BJ, and for anyone else out there who wants to add pages to their planner or their PDF document that aren't currently in there. So this is the weekly planner that I've created. I've obviously got my own shop in Etsy, and I've got, and obviously it's all hyperlinked and blah, blah, blah. I'm not in read-only mode, so you can see that, you know, it's hyperlinked to do all the things. Now, just say you're in here and you wanted to take this page and you wanted to put it in another document. Like, I've got a freebie in my freebie hub. I'll just show you the big picture view, and it's a study planner. Okay, and you could, you know, I just say I want that month page in here. I want it at the beginning, and I want to plan out my study for the month. So let's go back to my weekly planner, and this is so cool what you can do here. You go to the grid view, the 4 boxes, and you've got January, February, March, April, May. Now, the function in GoodNotes is to move it. That's the function we're going to use, but the problem is if we move this, it will no longer be in here. So we must duplicate it first. So we're going to tap duplicate. You can see the blue outline is still around May, but there's another May here. Now I'm going to tap on the 2nd May, but it put me back in the document. I wanted to get to this May, and I'm going to now, my options are all here, what I can do with it. I want to move it, and it's saying, where do you want to put it to? It's actually going to take it out of this document and it's going to put it in another document. So I want to go into Wholehearted Me, which is where, that's the name of my Etsy shop. And I'm going to click on Study Planner, and it says here, move to Study Planner, which is exactly what I want. So I'm going to press on that. Now, here it is. You can see it's in the Study Planner document. When I go to Grid View, it's there. Now, what I want to do is I want to pick it up. So I press and long press. I'm going to move it to the beginning. I'm going to go in here, and then I'm going to go. At the moment, there's no menu, which means I'm in reading view. So I'm going to go into writing view. I'm going to go into my dark color. So cool. You can add more than 3 pens now, whereas you couldn't before. And this is obviously my studying for the month of May. And I'm going to plan out what I can study here, 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 and here. You can obviously change your pens if... Actually, don't like the look of that. Let me just change it. So this is going to be what I do for study. Very versatile. Now, this is the hyperlinks won't work in this document because the hyperlinks, you can see it's trying to find the link for that, and it won't find it because it's in the other document. So that's all cool. But the actual template, you can cut and paste between documents, duplicate them first. Always use, let's go back to grid view, use the duplicate function first, do that, then move the copy. It's just a habit. It's like a discipline that I make myself do. Instead of moving the original, move the copy. Now, I will tell you in the other document, if you move the original is where the coding for the hyperlink is. So I don't want to get too complicated on you, but it's always best to work with the duplicate for whatever reason. It's just a good habit to get into. There's many things we could do with this, but for the sake of this video, I just wanted to answer that question you had about moving a PDF. You said, can I move a PDF into my planner? You can't move a PDF per se, but you can move a page. You may have meant that, just depends on our definitions of what the things are. But yes, if you're in somewhere, let's just say, just for the sake of it, let's just say we're in the week view and you think, oh my gosh, I need that in my study planner or in my child's homework. I need to do that. Easy fix. Come here, duplicate it because the original page needs to stay in this planner, in this PDF, hyperlinked PDF document. So go to duplicate it, you get that copy, you can either just tap that box, or to get a blue outline, click on it, go back up here, double check, yes, the original is there, then come here and go, now I want to move it. I'm going to move it. I want to go and put it in my study planner, move to study planner. Yes, that's exactly what I want to do. Tick it. It will actually then take you to your study planner, which is really cool. When we look at the big picture view, there were the 4 pages and it's added it here. I'm going to drag it and put it there, because after I've planned the homework for the month, I'm actually going to then look at what I can do in the week. And then I'm going to go to work on the actual work. So hope that helps, and any support on the channel would be greatly appreciated. All love is accepted. Thanks so much. Bye.